Ready? Let's do it.
Hole. The same hole.
Alright. All yours. Good? Alright.
The same hole. There you go. Same tap.
How was that?
Open bay, down here, no lines, no all rifles. Open bay, no wait.
How'd you like that?
It's different. Each gun has different triggers. You want to always lean forward, nice and deep. Okay? Okay? Try to strong stretch out. Just put your hands down.
Send the gun out.
How far out?
Sight into your rear nut. Weapon from the top. Now the sight is going to cover the fire and nothing higher. Now go ahead and squeeze it. Notice that trigger's going to start. And then when you shoot, expect a nice there you go. You got 7 shots. Remember, good firm grip. There you go. Left side. Remember, level off. Cover the 5X and then just slowly press that. Back and